My name is Sonal Chibbar. I am from Mantra Media. And I write for many publications here, especially real estate. So my question is like, how did you get associated with Lyrex, and what do you feel this property, deals with, it provides to the expat community as well, and the high end and the middle end customers? How do you see this property like, and what do you like about Dubai? We are waiting for your The Bunk series, but
I was introduced to them, and I got to know about this project. And when I got to know about this project, it seemed like a very interesting project.
Okay.
And whatever details that were given to me, I felt like, oh, this is really nice. And when the opportunity of its announcement or whatever was to happen, they were very kind to tell me that if you're in Dubai, or we would invite you to just come for a very soft launch for it. And the communication happened, and I'm here as a friend and a well-wisher on their launch, and that's a great profit out of the investments that they've done, because everything has just gone up. Everything is like been profitable to them, So plus, like I said, the quality of life is so much better, the facilities or the kind of environment and everything, the infrastructure. So it's value for money that you invest money over here. And then over a period of time, if you're an investor, you will end up even making money on that. So not only if you want to use it for your stay, if you look at it from an investment point of view also, it has been proved over the years that if you stay put in the market here, you will end up making money. I think everybody all over the globe wants to invest in Dubai. Dubai is the place that doesn't just excite me. It's like you can look around, that people from all over the world get excited about being in Dubai, and I'm no different. So, and the only good part is that one, it's closer to where I live. So it's like a home away from home. Within the same day you can travel in and out of Dubai. And it's happened in the past also. I've come in the morning, finished my work, and gone back at night. So that's such an amazing part of having such a great city so close to where I live. So apart from that, over the years we've seen Dubai, just grow in so many aspects, in so many facets, and that's the beauty about Dubai. Because I remember coming to Dubai like 20 years back. Okay, the first, maybe a little longer than that, maybe 30 years back. And ever since I've been coming, every time that I made a trip to Dubai, within a matter of 3 months or 6 months, I've seen something different.
Yeah.
Like, either it's the flyover or a road or a mall or some kind of a entertainment place. It's amazing facilities, amazing things happening, and they keep innovating, keep changing, keeping updated with the world. So it's such an amazing place. It's like really like an oasis in the desert kind of.
Thank you.
It's such a beautiful thing.
Thank you.
So thank you for having us. And the vision without the Zara Vista is a modern architect product which we are announcing in Dubai, and it's with a sustainability and with the better to amenities which we are providing in Al Warsan. This is something new which we introducing in Al Warsan. Nobody work, like us, like the product, like by the quality which we are giving in Warsan. And in Warsan, what people do, as we discussed, and Warsan people are more working on the affordability,
Right.
and we working as affordability and with a better quality, with the worldwide amenities. So this is something else which we are giving to both together. Thank you.
That's nice.
And also we need to see all the protocols. We can't give something about that, but we try to give the best.
And what is the USP of it? One line?
There are so many USPs.
Okay, one line, affordable living or something like that?
Affordable living within a sustainable